Hello. Hi guys, how are we doing? I know we have a lot of ideas floating, and here is one more from UX Machina. I am Bhakti, this is my teammate Devansh and Emma. And just a quick warning about the presentation contains images and scenarios depicting bullying and emotional distress, so please take care while viewing. Feel free to step away or pause if needed. The year is 2030. Students are walking through digital hallways, AR glasses displaying personalized schedules and reminders. In class, lessons come alive through immersive AR. So much has changed in the classroom. But one thing hasn't changed. Bullying hasn't disappeared. It has evolved. It has been said 20% students reported being bullied online, with female students experiencing higher rates than male students. How do we put a stop to this? We go to the root of the problem. Introducing Civica. It is focusing on the prevention of the problem, curbing the current situation, and finally growth of an individual.
Now meet Lena. Lena is a bright and imaginative student who loves to learn and connect with others, but recently she has fallen victim to bullying in school. She's being targeted through anonymous AR messages and humiliate her in front of her classmates. Now meet Alex. Alex is a tech-savvy student. Alex is known to bully his peers. He uses AI tools to manipulate and spread harmful content. But there is something we don't see. You see, Alex also wrestles with his own insecurities. At home, things are unstable, and sometimes picking on others is how he copes with feeling small. So Lena and Alex are both victims in a way. Both Alex and Lena carry wounds, one lashes out and one bears a blow. Often the bully's action stems from their own pain and insecurities, while the victim suffers not just from their harm, but from the emotional impact of being targeted. Technology accelerated the problem. It's some, it becomes a cure.
We at Civica are trying to solve this problem with 3 services. 1, Octavia AI, an emotional safety system. Sentra 1.0 smart AR hardware. And Astra Learning, a post-detection software. These 3 services together make up Civica. Octavia AI works by finding chemical and neurological imbalances through tests run on students. These results are then analyzed by systems that identify early signs of emotional dysregulation or low empathy. All data collected is end-to-end encrypted and securely stored on the cloud. We use advanced protocols like using blockchain-backed verification. Only you can access this information. Introducing Sentra 1.0. Sentra 1.0 is a state-of-the-art AR device worn by students. It measures brain activity throughout the day, flagging abnormal brain activity. Third, we have Astra Learning. Astra Learning is a post-detection software specifically for empathy training among students from grades 1 to 12. It works on a gamification model, letting children grow naturally in the long term. So how do these systems work together?
So we're going to go through the flow, but at the beginning of each school year, all new and returning students are required to submit blood and saliva samples, with their parents' consent, of course. These non-invasive tests are key to detecting early signs of low empathy. Both fluids contain biomarkers like oxytocin, which is a bonding hormone, cortisol, stress response, and testosterone linked to reduce emotional sensitivity, which reflects the student's emotional regulation and social awareness. And as we go to the first detection, all data is securely sent to Octavia AI, where it's analyzed and transformed into a clear, user-friendly report. This report is shared with school counselors, parents, providing insights such as empathy score, behavioral patterns, and social educational learning readiness. And so students work Center 101 daily, an EEG-enabled device that tracks brain activity and emotional responses in real time. It has seamlessly become a part of their everyday learning experience in classrooms. And so Astro Learning is a gamified learning model. Designed for weekly use, it offers age-appropriate modules tailored to different grade levels, 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12, making social environment learning both engaging and effective, as students tend to have a short attention span. So students wear Center 101 daily, as said before, EEG sensors to monitor brain activity and emotional response in real time. Just like the previous stage, this data is sent to Octavia AI and converted into clear, accessible report for school and counseling parents to understand. So since the model is new, early data is clustered and manually analyzed by psychologists and scientists and identify patterns. However, once integrated into Octavia AI, machine learning takes over, enabling automated pattern recognition, faster and more scalable insights. So this feedback loop constantly trains Octavia AI model, making smarter and adaptive over time. So what's next?
What's next for Octavia AI? Octavia AI model can be used in systems like offices, colleges, and prisons, places where we don't see people showing a power dynamic yet, and these models can be used to curb bullying in other spaces.
So imagine a world where the service is in place. Every child person feels safe, understood, empathy is a norm, not overwhelmed, and conflict gives way to curiosity. So AI and neuroscience quietly detect emotional risk early, guiding compassionate, non-invasive interventions. Understand early, intervene quietly, grow empathy. This is Civica.